I'm Annie and I read one story. It's a story. Do you know?
No.
It's the story chapter in the Jabber. Look at the dead hat. It's flying at a tree. The wind is full the tree down on the chopper. And what happened next? We read the story by Heather and Mary and Stephen Catherine. Chapter in the Chopper. This is an apple tree farm. This is Mrs. Boots, the farmer. She has 2 children, called Poppy and Sam, and a dog called Rusty. Ted works on a farm. He helps Mrs. Boots. Ted looks after the tractor and all the farm machines. That's falling. Today it is very windy. The wind is blowing the tree and it is very cold. Poppy and Sam play in the barn. Where are you going, Ted? Ted is driving the tractor out of the yard. I'm just going to see if the sheep are all right, he says. Ted stops the tractor by the gate. He goes into the sheep field. He nails down the roof of the sheep shed to make it soft. Poppy and Sam hear Ted blow crash. What's that? Says Sam. I don't know. Let's go and look, says Poppy. They run down the field. The tree has blown down. Oh my goodness. It's coming down Ted's tractor, says Poppy. Come on, we must help him, says Sam. What are you going to do, Ted? Poor Ted is very upset. The tree has scratches his new tractor. He can't even get into the cab. Ask Farmer Gray to help. I think I can see him on the high, says Ted. Poppy and Sam run to ask him. Soon Farmer Gray comes with his horse. Farmer Gray has big, cut horse called Dolly. They have come to help Ted. Dolly pulls and pulls. She works hard until the branches are off the tractor. Well done, Dolly, says Farmer Gray. Ted climbs into the cab. Thank you very much, Farmer Gray and Dolly, he says. And they all go back to the farmyard. The tractor looks a little missing. Ted finds a brush and paint over the crashes. Over all the crashes. Okay, sorry. It will soon be as good as new, he says. Okay, thank you very much for listening.